How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, if you have just bought yourself a brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra, then here are 10 exclusive new Samsung features that you should start using right now to get most out of your Samsung phone. With that said, stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1500 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, first let me show you a couple of lock screen customizations. Did you know you can now add widgets to your lock screen without the need of GoodLock application? All you have to do is simply long press, unlock your phone. Here you get this brand new widget option. Just click on it and now you can add different widgets to your lock screen. You can add battery widgets, calendar widgets, reminders, Samsung Health and weather widgets as well. The best part is that all these widgets also appear on the Always On display. Now speaking about the Always On display, you now have the option to show lock screen wallpaper on the AOD. And this looks very similar to what we actually have on the latest iPhones. If you want, you can simply turn off this feature to make your Always On display look completely dark. You can go to lock screen, select Always On display and disable this feature. Next, let me show you one secret exclusive Galaxy S24 feature that I'm sure not many of you know about. To enable this hidden feature on your phone, go into your phone settings, select advanced features and then select labs. Here we have got a brand new feature called Photo Ambient Wallpaper. Once you enable this feature, what it basically does is, it uses AI to change your lock screen wallpaper and add some really cool effects based on your time and weather. Now once you have enabled this feature, go back to your home screen, long press, select Wallpaper and Style, go inside Change Wallpaper and here you will find this new option called Photo Ambient. This option only shows up when you enable the Labs option that I just showed you. You simply need to click on it and enable the permission that is required. Now you can select any wallpaper from your gallery to set it as your lock screen wallpaper. This might look like a normal Samsung's lock screen, but let me show you the real magic of AI. If I press the play button, this is going to reflect the current weather outside. When it's raining, you can actually see the rain falling on this wallpaper and this changes automatically depending on your current weather. This effect really makes the lock screen stand out and I think it's a cool feature that is exclusive to Galaxy S24 devices. Another cool customization feature that I really liked is the generative AI wallpapers. If I long press, go to Wallpaper and Style, select Change Wallpaper, here we have this option called Creative. This basically helps you to generate your own wallpapers with the help of AI. All you have to do is just select a theme depending on your mood, then you can change the background and it even lets you to customize the color. Once done, simply tap on this Generate button and the AI will provide you with some stunning looking wallpapers to customize your home screen. Then you can set it directly onto your home screen or on the lock screen. I think it's an amazing feature, especially if you love customization and you like changing your phone's wallpaper on a regular basis. Now you don't have to search wallpapers online or install some third-party apps on your phone. You can create your own wallpapers in just a few clicks. Next, let me show you one of my favorite features of the S24 Ultra and that has to be the circle to search. So when I press and hold on this bar at the bottom, it allows me to circle, scribble or tap anywhere on the screen to search anything on Google. As you can see, when I circle anywhere I want, it gives me Google search results instantly based on what I just circled. I can circle anywhere and then it's gonna search that, bring me similar results and get me some more details regarding that specific item. It's probably the quickest way to search anything on the web. Like this, we have so many useful AI features available on S24 devices and if you want to see what AI features are present on this phone, then simply go inside Advanced Features and then select Advanced Intelligence. Here you can see all the powerful AI features that can surely help you to get most out of your Samsung phone. We have the live translation during voice calls. Once you have enabled this feature, now when you receive calls on your phone, simply tap the Call Assist button, then select Live Translate to start translating in real time. You can also select your and other person's language depending on your requirement. Currently it supports up to 13 languages and the best part is it even works offline. So you don't need an internet connection and you can use Live Translate for calls, messages and some third-party apps like WhatsApp and more. I think it's a really useful feature and now you can speak to someone who doesn't speak your language and it actually works really well. There is also an app for this. So if you just open the quick settings and select Interpreter, now you don't have to be on call. When you're actually in person with someone, it will do the same exact thing and translate language in real time. The real-time translation also works when you are in the messaging app. Samsung has added the translation function to their keyboard and currently it supports apps like Samsung Messages, Google Messages and some third-party apps as well. So if you are trying to message someone who doesn't understand your language, you can simply enable the translation feature and it will start translating in real time. Within the keyboard, you can also change the entire tone of a message that you are about to send. If I just tap on writing styles, it's gonna rewrite it in different tones and then you can choose one depending on the situation. You can be more professional, casual, or text someone in a polite way. You can even correct your grammar and spelling with the help of AI. So these are all the AI features built right into the Samsung keyboard and you can easily access them when you're using messaging apps on your phone. As you know, the S24 Ultra comes with a built-in S Pen, and if you love taking notes on your phone, the Galaxy AI can also help you managing and organizing all your notes. Let's say you come across an interesting article and you simply copy and paste it into your notes. If you look at it, it just looks like a massive block of text, and that's where Note Assist shines. With just a single tap, it completely transforms this blob into a neatly organized format with headers and bullet points. Not only this, you can also use the summarize and the translation feature to further improve the note-taking experience on your smartphone. We also have something very similar in the Samsung Internet browser. So if you are someone who prefers using the Samsung Internet, then there is this really useful feature called Browsing Assist that makes content or web pages simple and easy to understand. Now let's say you are reading an article or browsing any web pages. If you don't have enough time to read an entire article, what you can do is you can just tap on this AI button, and here we have two options. If you click on Summarize, the AI will summarize the whole article for us. And you can also change the summary type to detailed, so you can get a more detailed summary on that page with little more information. Not only this, you also have the translation option, so you can easily translate anything on the web. You also get some useful photo editing tools that can help you edit photos like a professional on your smartphone with the help of AI. To enable these additional photo editing tools, just go inside Advanced Features, select Advanced Intelligence, make sure that Generative Edit option is enabled. No matter which photo you select in your gallery, if you click on Edit and tap on this AI button, now you can actually adjust the angle of your photo, change the orientation, and the AI will generate a new background to fill in the gaps around the edges. You can also resize, move, or completely remove any object from your photos with the help of AI. Honestly, all these editing features work quite well, and you don't have to spend a lot of your time editing your pictures. You can do some complex level editing on your smartphone with just a few clicks. There is also an extra battery protection feature that can only be found on the S24 series of devices. When you are in the settings page, go inside battery, select battery protection. Here we have 3 different levels of battery protection. If you choose the basic one, when your battery is charged to 100%, it will stop charging until the battery level drops down to 95% and then the charging will start again. Next, we got the adaptive mode, which will ensure that your phone slowly charges to 100% just before you wake up. Finally, there is this maximum protection, which will stop charging your battery when it reaches 80%. So depending on your requirement, you can select the level of protection that you want for your battery. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some exclusive S24 Ultra features that you should start using right now. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.